Hi guys and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, but first having a look at what is Peter Brandt calling for here. He's calling for Bitcoin to reach 360k. And yeah, that is very bullish. He has made previous very good calls for Bitcoin. Taking a look at the boomer markets, easiest trade of the week is coming up again. If the ES1 futures gap up, you buy Bitcoin. If they gap down, you sell them. Very easy. But the Dixie is looking strong here on the weekly. I'm curious to see how that one opens, if it can break this resistance over here or not. So big question mark there. I hope and I'm aiming for up for the S&P and down for the Dixie. Bitcoin, we had some consolidation, broke up, broke these levels and broke this trend line over here. But what we are seeing now is people rushing into longs again, quite heavily. So yeah, that is kind of a point of concern over here. That gives us a lot of liquidity to the downside. That is not something we like to see. So I would say a little dip below 50k to stop those people out. Best I would say stop run would be just crash below 49k and move up from there. Other than that, the chart is looking very good over here. Broke this trend line over here. Made higher highs compared to over here, and right now the big level to watch is I would say this level over here. So yeah, that is around 52k, 52.5k, and that is basically the levels you need to watch. These three levels over here are the levels we need to watch. A stop run just below this level over here, just below 49k, would be a really good one. Shake everybody out of their lungs and go up from there. That is what I'm expecting as well, just because fundings and premiums are getting high again. And yeah, if the ES1 futures gap up, I'm buying Bitcoin. Simple as that. Ethereum looking very well over here, making higher highs over here. Next level of resistance, of course, would be this high over here. But Ethereum is looking very good. They, of course, have very good news of their hard fork, and yeah, that is just very bullish for Ethereum. So I'm much more bullish on Ethereum over here than on Bitcoin, I would say. Ethereum is looking good. Chart is looking very good, and yeah, we just need to see higher lows and higher highs. So yeah, that is about that. Take a look at Doge. Doge is taking a long time to consolidate over here. Getting tight, still following the pattern. Let me remove this thing there. And yeah, what we want to see is basically a higher breakout out of here and them holding this trend line over here. But other than that, yeah, looking very good. Breaking current high over here. Would bring them over here to these highs, and if that one breaks over here, all-time highs. Solana, I mean, kind of the same as everything. Basically, everything is breaking up slowly, nicely at the moment. Solana broke up very nicely over here. Next level to watch is over here. That is resistance. On a smaller time frame, you could say this one is one as well, but it's looking very good. Supports are over here, I would say, or the high over here, the low over there, and the low over here. We're going to very small time frames, but yeah, it's looking very good. I think they will go for all-time highs quite soon again. USD. Yeah, looking very good, consolidating still, making higher lows, lower highs, and it's waiting for a breakout. Looking at the market conditions of everything right now, I would say break up. Uni, yeah, looking very good at their all-time high. Matter of time before they break up, I would say. Could come back for a retest, but I don't know. I don't think so. Looking very strong over here. Very, very strong. Very bullish pattern. Targets, I don't know. Use the fib levels or yeah, I don't know what is important in these coins. But yeah, it really looks good and up to me, it seems. Is there anything else? Yeah, funding rates. Funding rates are getting high again. Predicted on Bitmex as well. Bitmex funding rates always are a bit lower than the Bybit ones. Or they catch up lower. But yeah, they're getting quite high right now. They can go up all to, like Bybit can go up all the way to 0.3, which is extremely high. And you could even, yeah, put in a little short just to catch funding, I would say. So yeah, easiest trade coming up of the week. S&P 500 ES1 futures open. Open at around midnight Central European time. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think is gonna happen. And if you trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to use one of the sign up links in the video description. So you help me and you help yourself by catching some discounts. So that is that. Quite bullish and everything. Bitcoin fundings are getting a little bit too high in my opinion, so watch out. I'm expecting a little retest to 49k, bit below it. Not shorting it either, but just be careful, do not over leverage, and I see you guys again tomorrow.